So a DEXA scanner is basically a large X-ray machine, and it uses X-ray to measure the different component parts of the body. So we use low dose radiation, really low dose radiation, and then from that we can get an accurate assessment of lean tissue, fat mass, and then bone density. So it gives us a really accurate picture of the body. A lot of different people might be interested in that. Anyone looking to gain weight, lose weight, anyone potentially with bone density issues. So a lot of body composition tests just look at the body comp, whereas the DEXA scanner gives us the bone piece, which is very important. We work with our own students to teach them how to do it. We work with our student athletes as well. So we have football, baseball, basketball come in to get scans done. So we have a lot of undergrad students involved in work, and it really does give them that extra little bit when they're applying for PA school, PT school, or even going on to jobs in strength and conditioning, sports performance. They have that extra little bit of experience.
And then also with the DEXA here, you get to learn great patient care skills with taking care of them, learning more about the scan and the diagnostic techniques that go along with the DEXA. We have a lot of great resources. I love all the research opportunities. I feel like that's not something that you see a lot of other places.
It's just such a nice experience for the students that they don't get in a lot of the bigger universities, because you don't have that hands-on experience that we get here.
I've met a lot of great people here, including both faculty, staff, students. Really feels like a family here. I'm going to be sad to leave once I'm done here.
I mean, that's what keeps me here, is the people and the students. That's just the energy from our students, the fun they have in the classroom. We're really lucky that we've got a lot of lab practical work. So just that you can interact a little bit more than standing on top of the classroom, actually get in, get walking around, get talking to them, get to know them. That's what is the great piece of this job, is the students.